Company provides each of its employees a death benefit of 100. Company purchases insurance that pays the cost of total death benefits in excess of 400. The number of employees who will die in the year is Poisson with mean 2. Calculate the expected annual cost to the company, excluding the cost of insurance. So the company pays 100 for one death. It pays 200 for 2 deaths, 300 for 3 deaths, and it pays 400 for 4 or more deaths, because if there are more than 4 deaths, the company doesn't pay anything extra, because excess of 400 means more than 4 deaths. So if X is the number of deaths per year, then since that's Poisson, so it's mean power x e power negative m over x factorial, and the mean is given to be 2, so 2 power x e power negative 2 over x factorial. And if C is the annual cost to the company, then as we said, it'd be 100 for 1 death, 200 for 2 deaths, 300 for 3 deaths, and 400 for 4 or more deaths. Because more than 4, the company doesn't pay anything extra. Okay, so the expected value of the cost will be 100 with times probability of 1 death, because 100 is paid when 1 death occurs, and it's 200 when 2 deaths occur, so 100 times probability x equals 1 plus 200 probability x equals 2, or it would be 300 when 3 deaths occur, so 300 times probability of 3 deaths plus 400 times probability of 4 or more deaths. And now this means 100 f of 1, 200 f of 2 plus 300 f of 3 plus 400. And now probability x greater than or equal to 4 can be found through the complement. The complement of greater than or equal to 4 is 0, 1, 2, 3. So 100 minus f0 minus f1 minus f2 minus f3. And now we simplify this first, just to make the work a little bit less. So this is 400 times 1, 400. And now minus 400 f0, so that's minus 400 f0. And then we have minus 400 f1, and then we had plus 100 f1, so that's minus 300 f1. So similarly, this 400 times f negative f2 is negative 400 f2, plus 200 f2 means negative 400, negative 200 f2, and similarly negative 100 f3. And now we have 400, and now from all of these, since all of these are multiples of 100, I can factor out 100. And also in the Poisson, this e to the minus 2 will be a constant, which can be pulled out when I'm evaluating all of these, because whenever I evaluate f0 or f1 or f2 or f3, I'll always get e to the negative 2. So I'm pulling that one out. So I pulled the 100 part out, and I pulled the e to the minus 2 out. So I'm left with 4 f0 except the e of minus 2, which I have pulled out. And then when x is equal to 0, this is 2 power 0 over 0 factorial, that's just 1. So I just get 4. And when x is 1, this is 2 power 1, which is 2 over 1 factorial, which is 1. So 2 over 1 is 2. So I have 300 times 2, and the 100 was already pulled out. So 3 times 2. Minus negative was also pulled out. And then here I'll have plus 2. And then f of 2 is 2 square divided by 2 factorial. So 2 square over 2 factorial is 4 over 2. And then the next one would be 2 power 3 over 3 factorial. 2 power 3 is 8. 3 factorial is 6. So this just simplifies a little bit of work, and you know that every second counts in the exam. And all this simplifies to 192. That was choice C.